how to create a free WordPress website with free domain and then hosting. Okay, so at the end of this video, you are going to be able to create a website just like this. And not only are you going to create a website, you're also going to get a free SSL certificate installed to your website just like this one. As you can see, the connection is secured and then the certificate is valid. So let's go directly into the tutorial. So all that you have to do is just go to Google, and I want you to type in byt.host just like this one, and then hit enter. When it comes, it will take you right here to their website. Okay, so just locate the top side where we have the free hosting. Come and select the free hosting plans and then click on it. So when you click on it, this is how the free hosting is. This is the main feature that you are going to get. Don't worry, I'm going to take you completely through every step. Okay, so just come down here where it says sign up for a plan. Just come and click on it. So after clicking on it, you are going to go through a sign up process, a short process, by simply coming here and then come and put in your subdomain name. Okay, come here and then put in your password, a strong password, put in your email address, and then come and select a category. Okay, just click on it, select any of these, personal, business, any of these. Okay, just select it, then come and select the language. Okay, so just click on the down arrow and then come and select the language that you want. Then just come here and then come and put in the security code that you see. Okay, just put it right here and then come and click on the register. But what you have to know is that you have to read their terms of services. Okay, so by clicking on the register, you agree to their terms of services. Okay, so let me put in this subdomain name, which is the blogging tools, and then come here and then click on register. So what you have to do now is to just go to your email, because they are going to send you a verification mail for you to verify. One thing that you have to know is that if you go and then it doesn't come, just come and click on this link and then wait for 10 minutes and then it will be there for you. What you have to do is to just go to your spam, just go to the spam folder, click on it, and you are going to see the mail right here. Just click on it and then come and click report not spam. Okay, just click on it and then the message will go directly into your inbox. Okay, just go to your inbox, click on it. You are going to see the message right here, just like this one. Click on it and come here and then simply come and click on this link. Okay, so come and click on this link and it will bring you right here. So this is the information that you are going to use to create your website. Okay, the most important thing is that copy it somewhere, and then come and then open your control panel URL by right clicking on it and then come and click on open link. Okay, so what you have to do is to simply just come here and then come and make sure that you agree to their cookies, because over here they agree to cookies. By just come and click on you got it. Okay, and then what you have to do is just come here and then come and put in the username that you copied and then come and put in the password that you created. Okay, after that just come and click on log in. So after clicking on login, what you have to do is just come here and then come and click on I approve, and then you'll be logged into your control panel. So these are the free things that you will get within the free plan. Okay, you get unlimited subdomain, you have unlimited add-on domains, you have all this. You also have a 5 GB disk storage. Not only that, you are also given all of these within the free pack. Okay, and this is how much of the disk space that I'm having left. You have unlimited bandwidth, and then all of this is given within the free plan. Okay, so what you have to do is to just come and then locate your Softaclos app install and then click on it. You're going to see the WordPress right here, just like this one. Just come and click on the install, and then over here just come to where we have the install. Under the down button, this arrow, just come and click on it and then click on quick install. When you click on it, what you have to do now is to just come here where we have your subdomain name. Come here and then in directory, make sure that you don't put anything there, make sure it is empty. What you have to do next is that you have to come and then select the latest WordPress version by clicking on the down arrow and select the latest, that one it is provided. Okay, and then just come here, the admin account, come and put in your admin username and then come and put in your password. You can always come and click on this key to generate a new password for you and then copy it somewhere, because you are going to use it to log in. And then this is the admin email that it will be given to you. Then just come down here and then come and click on the install. Okay, so as you can see, your WordPress is installing. Wait for it to install. And over here it says, congratulations, we have successfully installed our WordPress. Just come here where it says this link. We can simply click on this link, and then we can simply log in directly to our dashboard. So we have directly logged into our dashboard, and when you go to the update, we have one update. Just click on it, and then we have to update our WordPress. Okay, so just come here where it says update to version. Just come and click on it, and then we are going to update our WordPress to the latest version. Okay, so as you can see, when you go to the dashboard, you will see that we have successfully updated our WordPress to the latest version. Okay, so now what we have to do next is that we have to go to our site. So to go to our site, just go to my blog and then come and click on visit sites. So when you click on visit sites, you see that our site is live, but the most important thing is the SSL. Okay, so over here it says not secured. It simply means that our SSL certificate was not installed automatically. When you click on it, it says that this connection is not secured. So we have to install our SSL certificate. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the steps to install the SSL certificate. So let's go back to our dashboard. Okay, and then what you have to do now is that we have to go to our control panel. Okay, so within the control panel, just come here and then come and locate the SSL/TLS and then come and click on it. So when you click on it, over here where it says the site URL, it is here, and then you are going to see the configure SSL, and then come and click on configure. So when you click on the configure, we are going to generate the key. Okay, so just come here where it says generate key slash CSR. Just come and click on it because we need a CSR. Okay, so when you click on it over here, just come and then put in your country, and then just come and put in your state, and then come and put in the town that you are in. Come and then put in the company name. Okay, now putting in the company name, just come and then put in the department that you are in, and then come and put in your email address. Okay, so after putting the email address, just come down here and then come and click on generate key. Okay, so your key will be generated for you, and then just come here. We need the CSR. Okay, this is what we need, the CSR. So just come here and then come and then copy this CSR by highlighting it, right click on it, and then come and click on the copy. So when you copy it, what you have to do now is to just go to Google and then type in 0SSL, 0SSL, and then hit on it. So when it comes, just come to the official site of 0SSL, click on it, and it will bring you right here. So with this platform, you can get SSL certificate for free without paying any amount of money. Okay, so locate the top right hand side where we have get free SSL. Just click on it. Then when you click on it, just come here to the free plan and then come and create an account. You can simply create an account by putting your email and then just put in your password and then come and click on next step. Okay, so after clicking on the next step, your account will be created for you, and then over here it says create SSL certificate. Just come here and then come and click on new certificate. Okay, so when you click on new certificate, what you have to do is to just come and then enter your domain name here. Okay, so let's go and then go and copy our domain by simply highlighting it. We right click on it and then just come here and then come and click on copy. So what you have to do is to just come here and then come and paste it right here. But what you have to do is that you have to clear the HTTP, clear everything right here, and then leave it this way. So as you can see, the check mark has been given, and it means that this is how we have to do it. Okay, so what you have to do now is to just come here and then come and click on next step. And what you have to do now, under the validity, just come here and then come and select 90-day certificate. Just check this one and then just come here and then come and click on the next step. Okay, so when you click on the next step, what you have to do now is that the CSR and the contact, just come in and uncheck the auto generate CSR, and then come and check the paste existing CSR. So come and click on paste existing CSR because we have it already, and then come and paste what we copied, the CSR. Come and paste it right here. Okay, so after pasting it, what you have to do is that clear every space under it, and then come here where it says the next step, and then come and click on the next step. Okay, so we have to finalize our order by simply coming here and then make sure that the free plan is selected, and then simply come here and then come and click on the next step. Okay, just click on it. So after clicking on it, the next thing is that, as you can see, our certificate has been created, okay? And then over here, what we have to do now is to simply come here and then come and check the DNS. Okay, so we are going to copy our DNS here and then go and then paste it. Okay, so over here under the C name, just come here and then come and copy the source name, okay, and then the destination. So first what you have to do is to come and copy the source by highlighting it. Do not add your domain name to it, okay? So highlight this one, right click on it and then click on copy, and then let's go back to our control panel and then come to the C name here and come and click on the C name record, okay? So under the record name, the source, come and then right click on it and then come and paste it right here. After pasting it, we need a destination now. So let's come here and then come and copy the destination, right click on it and then come and click on copy, and then let's go back to our control panel, the destination, right click on it and then come and paste it right here. So after pasting it, what you have to do now is to just come to the action and then come and click on add, okay? So after adding it, as you can see here, under the C name records, you see that we have our C name record here, and then you see that we have our destination right here. So this is it, okay? So we have successfully added our DNS record. So what you have to do is to just come here and then come and click on the next step. So what we have to do next is that we have to finalize it, okay, by simply come and click on verify domain. So when you click on verify domain, as you can see, congratulations, we have successfully done it, okay. So they have given us this notification saying that our certificate has been issued and now we have to install it, okay. So to install it, what we have to do is that we have to download the certificate by simply coming here and then click on download certificate, okay. So just click on it, and when you click on it, you see that the certificate folder is here. Just come and then open it, and then come and then right click on it and then come and extract it. You have to extract it. So after clicking on extract, just come here and then click on the extract, and then to be extracted, just come and then open it. Come and open it with Notepad, okay. Just come and then open it with Notepad. Click on open and then it will be open here. So we have our certificates here. Come and highlight it, right click on it, copy it, and then let's go back to our control panel and then come to the SSL or the TLS, and then over here just come to the configure, come and click on the configure and come and paste our certificates here, okay. So here the certificate, just come and then right click on it and then paste it right here. What you have to do next is to just come in and come and click on upload certificate, and that is it. We have successfully done it, okay. So go back to the 0SSL and then come in and come and click on the next step. What you have to do now is to just come and then check the installation by clicking on it. So you might come across this, it says that the installation has not been done and then there is an error. Don't worry, what you have to do is to just go back to your control panel, come and then locate the Softaclos app installer, click on it. As you see, we have one installation here. Come and click on the installation, and we can log in directly into our WordPress by simply coming to click on this icon, log in as admin, and within the dashboard of our WordPress, come to the settings, and under the settings, just locate the general, okay, click on the general, and then over here, the WordPress address URL. In front of the P, come and put in the X, and then come and do the exact same here. In front of the P, come and put the X here. And then what you have to do is to just come down here where we have saved changes. Come and locate the saved changes and then click on it, okay. So now we will be back to our WordPress dashboard, and then we can simply go to our site by going to my blog and then click on visit site. And over here our site is live. Let's go and check our SSL. So as you can see, our SSL is here. When you click on it, it says connection is secured. When you click on the right arrow, it says that the connection is secured, and then our certificate right here is valid. So we have successfully installed our SSL certificates for our website, okay. So what we have to do now is to just go back to our dashboard and then install a theme, okay. So to install a theme, just come to the appearance here. Within the appearance, just go to the theme and then click on it. And then just go to add new theme and then come and click on add new theme. And when you click on it, under the popular theme, just come and then select one of the popular theme that most bloggers use, which is the Astra. We can preview the Astra by clicking on the preview. And then within the preview section, this is how our website is going to look like, right? So you can install the Astra by simply coming here and then click on the install, and then just wait for it to install. So after it finishes install, we are going to activate it by simply coming here and then come and click on the activate. Okay, so let's wait for it to be activated. We have starter template just like this one that we can choose from. So just come here and then come and click on get started with starter template. Okay, and then wait for it to be activated. So when it's finished activating, we have two ways to build our website. We can use AI to build a website for us by simply coming to use the AI builder. Beside that, we can also come here and then select the classic starter template by simply coming to select this one. But I prefer using the AI to build a website. So let's come here and then come and click on try the new AI builder. Okay. So when you click on it, we are going to use this platform, the ZipWP platform, to build our website. So all that you have to do is to just come and then click on let's get started. It's free. Then what you have to do is to simply come and then create an account, okay? By coming to click on sign up with your Google by just clicking on it, and then you'll be signing correctly. And what you have to do is just come and click on continue, okay? So what you have to do now is that you are going to go through this short process to build our website. What you have to do first is to just put in your website name here, okay? Just come and then put in the website name. Then come and select what the website is for. By clicking on it, you can select agency, restaurants, non-profit. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to select local business. So when you select local business, what you have to do now is to just come and then select the language. I prefer English, so I'm going to leave it there. Then come and click on the continue. So I'm going to put in best shoes as my website name, and I'm just coming to click on the continue. So what you have to do is to just describe what your website is about, okay, in your own unique words, or you can even use the write using AI to write it for you by clicking on it. So the AI is going to write something for you. Just look through, edit it to fit your preference, and then simply come here and then come and click on the continue, okay. So when you click on the continue, what you have to do now is to provide your contact email by putting it here, your telephone number, you put it right there. You can also add your address here to the box so that people will find you easily. And then you can always add your social media handles to it by clicking on the plus sign, and you can add any of these social media handles, okay. It depends on you. So what you have to do now is that for me, I'm just going to skip this step by clicking on skip steps, okay. And then over here, come and select any of the free stock images to build your website. So when you are done, just come and then click on continue. And what you have to do is to just come and then choose how your website structure will look like, okay. So just go through and then select the one that you prefer. I prefer this one, so I'm going to select it by simply clicking on it, okay. So when you click on it, what you have to do now is that just come to the left hand side where it says the continue, just come and then click on the continue. So when you click on the continue, you can select any of these features to add to your website. We have the donation, you can check the box. We have the sales funnel, you can check the box. We have the live chat, you can check the box and it will be added to your website. We have the automation and then the video player, which you can always check the box to add it. But I'm going to skip and then start building my website by clicking on it. And as you can see, the AI is now building my website for me. And wow, we have successfully created our website. So what you have to do now is to simply come here and then come and click on see your website. And this is amazing and easy, simple designed website which have been built for free with our WordPress with free hosting and then free domain. Not only that, we have our own unique name added. We have anything, we can customize by always coming to the customize and then you click on the customize, and you have all these features. You can edit the header, you can do whatever thing that you want, you can customize it, change everything. To change everything, what you have to do is just put the mouse on it and then click on the edit button, and then you can change, and then you can change anything, okay. And then you can change anything by always putting the mouse on it and then you click on the edit button, okay. So this is how to create a free WordPress website with free hosting and domain. So when you're done, come and click on the publish and your website will be published live and then free. So don't forget to like this video. If you have any questions, just leave in the comment down for me and then I'm going to attend to it. And then if you haven't subscribed, subscribe because I have more videos like this just for you.